Hello, RV family. This is the RV Daddy, and boy, have we got a treat today with the NoBo factory rep, Darren Mai. Now, Darren's coming by to visit us, and you're telling me you got a son in the Naval Academy, first year.
Yes, I do. He just finished his first year. He's in summer training right now.
All right, well, if I could recommend anything, nuclear power is the way to go.
We'll see. He wants to go aviation, but he's got some years to figure it out.
Well, Darren, why don't you tell us about maybe, let's pick a number, the top 5 things about NoBo in 2027.
Let's do that. I am here at Johnston RV in northern Alabama, and we're in front of a brand spanking new 2027 model year. This is the 20.2 model, no boundaries. Number one thing I got to talking about features, is this is equipped with our beast mode option. One of the biggest parts of the beast mode option is the Curt independent suspension. So on this model, you have true 4-wheel independent suspension with a single swing arm, dual shock and coil on each wheel. And that's very important to us. We are the product that is built to go anywhere, off-road, on-road, wherever you want to go. But this suspension system, you gain 4 inches of travel, meant to stay in the suspension. So whether you're off-road or a concrete camper, you're going to get full benefit of this suspension. Less pullback on the truck, treats the sidewalls better, your windows open the way they're supposed to, your doors close and open the way they're supposed to. This is a big part of our beast mode package. That's that Curt independent suspension. I highly recommend it. Another thing we do is we add a second solar panel to give you 400 total watts. There's also a 2,000 watt inverter, so when you're dry camping, you get to run all your GFI outlets on this. Plus, we're adding a water filter for the whole coach, and then we're also doing a Maxxair vent cover over the bathroom. That's part of the beast mode package.
Now that extra solar panel is expandable, right?
That's correct. You can actually add up to 1 more solar panel, just plug and play, so you can go 600 watts of solar without having to do any additional wiring if you want to go more than that. That's true.
Now this one also has a neat feature. I don't know what it's really called, but I call it the taco truck option.
Yes. Well, I go in and unlock it, but this is a pop-out window, which is nice. I'll be back in 1 second. Let me unlock that and pop that window out for you.
All right, we're here waiting on our burritos.
So we have a pop-out patio window. That way, if you're outside on your outdoor kitchen and you need the steaks to come or a refill on your mommy juice box, we have access to do that right here on the pop-up patio
What, a carne
window.
asada burrito and a horchata to go, please?
That's true. Elephant ears, whatever you want to do. But that's what this rail is for right here. It sets up your table, and your 18-inch griddle will mount right here. And then another feature we did in 2027 is there's going to be a bracket to mount an exterior TV if you want to enjoy your television on your patio when you're camping. Another good thing about NoBo is the quality of the materials we use in the construction process. This is an aluminum frame coach, vacuum laminated wall with block foam insulation. We take it 1 step further than most of the competition out there, as we actually have a laminated aluminum frame floor as well. We just want to build the strongest, most rigid product for those customers that fully utilize the capabilities of this trailer to go off the beaten path, out on the hunting property, across the 2-track, crossing the creek, whatever you want to go. The NoBo is really no boundaries. You can take it pretty much anywhere the tow vehicle can pull it.
I guess that could also be the hunting stand option. You could
Absolutely.
shoot right out of there.
Absolutely.
Let's take a
And
look
real
inside.
quick, let's pop inside this model. So this is the 20.2. So this is a 25-foot overall length, non-slide wide body. We're 8 foot wide here. Theater seating is standard on this model, which is great. Sits right across from your standard 12-volt television. But to couple with that great pop-out windows, we have a bar top counter with bar stools, and you actually have some storage underneath there. I'd have to unplug the seatbelt for it. Like I said, this unit just got to the lot, but these would pull back and you're accessing more storage under your bar top. So even though we're only 25 feet overall length, there's a tremendous amount of storage in here with overhead cabinets, lower cabinets, and the I call that the coffee center over there, but you have a butler's pantry on the way in with more storage, flat countertop service, plus your pop-up power cell phone and USB charger right here. And this just folds out of the way if you want to utilize it for prep space or anything like that. But probably my favorite part of this model is this pantry. On a 25-footer, you got a full pantry, and down below there's access to your central vac with your sweep port, so you can sweep the whole floor, and it goes right into that vacuum dustpan.
That's super cool.
But another big part of this coach that I love is you actually have a walled off private bedroom with a north to south RV queen bed. It's a 60 by 80. but we're only 25 feet with a private bedroom and ducted air all the way through in.
Got your cubbies back there for
Correct.
your CPAP folks.
Yep, and on the back of the cubbies, each side has power outlets and USB chargers as well as your hanging wardrobe and your lit cabinets. So storage is a big functionality part for us. We want to utilize usable storage space anywhere that we can.
This is amazing in a unit that doesn't have a slide. Not
Full
everybody
size
wants a
refrigerator,
slide.
12-volt fridge. So again, when you're dry camping and you're running that inverter, it's running your TV and running your fridge for you. And then
All right.
Yep.
Well, I see you're sporting the colors. I got my new shirts in today. And if you like these videos, like and subscribe. And we thank Darren. And again, we're going to give our 400th subscriber a free t-shirt.
That's perfect. Get one. Get one. I had to get a free, I had to do the video to get a free t-shirt, so technically I had to go to work. But come on down to Johnston RV Center up here in northern Alabama. Come see the No Boundaries product. We are pretty much the only travel trailer on the market that has its own personality, unique style, but is built for the camper that wants to go anywhere. Come on down, we'll help you out.
Thanks, Darren. You know where to find the RV Daddy.